Hey, what's up, folks? This is Mr. N, the worst mechanic ever. And right now, I'm just vlogging. I'll be honest. I'm not a vlogger. I'm not a YouTuber. But this is a dumb video that I'm making. I'm making it for the heck of it. A couple days ago, I posted a video on how to remove a stuck cap on a 2005 Chevy Equinox, whatever. Equinox, whatever. Um, you know, it's not the hardest thing in the world to do, but I was like, whatever. Let me make a video because I couldn't find any for this vehicle. And today I'm making a very simple video. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to replace a cap. So in this video, I'm gonna be replacing the cap on this vehicle. Last time I removed it, a little bit of it broke off. So I wanted to replace it, and that's what I'm doing today. But today I'm gonna be doing this thing the worst mechanic ever way, which is putting in cheap stuff. I do not recommend putting in cheap stuff. Alrighty, so last time this thing was stuck. Let me see if it works this time. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. It's kind of stiff. Come on, baby. That thing's still stuck in there. Took some elbow grease, but we got it out. Just a cheap. Alrighty, there it is. It's actually a tight fit, very tight, which I don't like. But there it is. Let's see what happens. I'm out. So as you noticed in the video, the cap was a very tight fit. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm not sure if the metal is expanding at that opening. I doubt it. I'm guessing that, this is just a generic cap. I'll put the model number up there so you guys can see it. Generic cap. It's bigger than what it needs to be. So it's tight. I did put it in. I'm just hoping that next time I take it out, it's not going to be crazy tight. It might be. Who knows? I don't think I'm going to do a video on, taking that thing back off after, 5,000 miles or whatever. 3,000 miles. Next oil change. Well, it's less now, whatever, but I'm not gonna do that. So again, I'm just vlogging. This video is for my only subscriber. Actually, I don't have any subscribers, so this video is really for myself. Yeah, I don't have any friends. I hope you enjoyed me. Bye.